Loka Sangrahamevapi, at least for the welfare of the world, for the good of the world. Bahujana hitaya, bahujana sukhaya. So Sri Krishna is saying, look, Janaka and others who had knowledge, they themselves kept on working. Loka Sangrahamevapi, at least for the welfare of the world, for the good of the world. Bahujana hitaya, bahujana sukhaya. Bhagwan Buddha taught us this. Bahujana sukhaya, for the welfare of many, for the happiness of many. And bahujana hitaya, for the welfare of many. So happiness and also welfare, both of these are combined in this philosophy of action, bahujana sukhaya. And then he says, why did they perform the actions? Yad yad acharati sreshtas tat tadevetaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokas tadanuvartate. Whatever the noblest persons do, the ordinary person imitates. The standard they set, the ordinary people follow. So, even for the sake of setting an example, one should perform the action. They set up a wonderful standard, the gold standard is set up over there, and then you try to reach to that standard or make that as the benchmark, and you try to reach to that. That is very important.